If you look, you will discover something new each time you're here at the Grand Bohemian Hotel. I'm standing here in the Grand Bohemian Hotel in Orlando, Florida. I welcome you here because this is a very special place. As you go into all these spaces, you will find little secrets that many people probably overlook. I'm standing here in the rotunda at the Grand Bohemian Hotel in Orlando, and in this special place is a very, very special, unique piano. It is a 9.5-foot Imperial Grand Bösendorfer piano. There's only two in the world like this. This one, the other one is in China, in Shanghai. On every floor, we have some magnificent pieces of sculpture, some in wood, some in bronze, some glass. And this cougar was done by Lorenzo Guglielmi. He does beautiful work, and this is one of his famous pieces. I'm here at the front desk of the Grand Bohemian Hotel in Orlando. I want you to particularly notice this painting. It was done by Laura Danello, an artist at the time, lived in Savannah, Georgia. I got to know her. We sold a lot of her work over the years, and we still sell pieces of her work. But this, we really thought captured the whole idea of the Grand Bohemian Hotel. No matter what type or style of food you like, I think you will really enjoy the Boheme restaurant. Whether you order steak or seafood or lamb chops, whatever it is, you'll find very high quality, beautifully presented by wonderful servers. A lot of paintings, good music, great food. We have a full Starbucks here. If you want a cup of coffee because you're running out for a meeting, that's a great place to get it quickly, take it with you, enjoy it along the way. You must go see the art gallery while you're here. Go by and talk to them about how they engage with their artists and who's here locally, what's local art, what's international art. You don't have to be an art expert to enjoy such a conversation. The spa here is a very, very relaxing place. Colors are beautiful. The people and our team that run it are just the best. We want you taken care of. We want you to leave here refreshed, and we want you to leave here exuberant.